F-22 Raptor, a fifth-generation fighter aircraft, has been a cornerstone of the United States Air Force's USAF aerial superiority for several decades. However, the question arises, is it feasible for the F-22 to continue serving the USAF branches until the year 2050? While predicting the future lifespan of a military aircraft is challenging, several factors need to be considered when assessing the possibility. First and foremost, the F-22's original design and technological capabilities must be evaluated. With its advanced stealth features, supersonic speed, maneuverability, and integrated avionics systems, the F-22 was initially developed to maintain air dominance over adversaries for many years. Nonetheless, the F-22 was introduced into service in the early 2000s, and over time, its technology and capabilities could potentially become outdated when compared to emerging threats and advancements in aircraft design. The rapid pace of technological innovation in the defense industry, combined with the need to adapt to evolving global security challenges, often necessitates the development of newer, more advanced fighter aircraft. Moreover, the F-22's maintenance and sustainment costs should be taken into account. As an aging aircraft, the F-22 will require increasing investment to keep it operational and maintain its combat effectiveness. The availability of spare parts, upgrades, and skilled personnel will also become crucial considerations as the aircraft ages. Budgetary constraints and strategic priorities will play a significant role in determining whether the USAF chooses to extend the service life of the F-22 until 2050. The allocation of funds for research, development, and acquisition of new fighter aircraft, such as the F-35 Lightning II, might impact the decision to continue operating the F-22. Ultimately, while it is technically feasible to extend the service life of the F-22 until 2050, it will depend on multiple factors, including the aircraft's ongoing performance and effectiveness, evolving threats, available resources, and the strategic priorities of the USAF. A thorough assessment of these factors, along with careful planning and investment, will be necessary to determine the viability of the F-22's continued service into the coming decades. Several factors must be considered when evaluating the potential longevity of the F-22 in service. First and foremost is the aircraft's technological capability. The F-22 was designed to be at the forefront of aerial warfare, boasting advanced stealth capabilities, exceptional maneuverability, and integrated avionics systems. However, as technology rapidly evolves, it is important to assess whether the F-22 will remain relevant and effective on the battlefield for another 3 decades. Maintenance and sustainment are also vital aspects to consider. The F-22's unique design and advanced technology require specialized infrastructure and skilled personnel for its upkeep. Ensuring a steady supply of spare parts, conducting regular maintenance, and providing necessary upgrades will be crucial for the F-22's continued serviceability. Additionally, as the aircraft ages, the cost and effort required to maintain its airworthiness may increase significantly. Budgetary considerations play a pivotal role in determining the future of any military program. Extending the service life of the F-22 until 2050 would require substantial financial investments. The USAF would need to allocate funds for research and development to address potential obsolescence issues, modernize avionics systems, and enhance its capabilities to counter emerging threats. The availability of resources and competing priorities within the defense budget will undoubtedly influence the feasibility of prolonging the F-22's service life. Furthermore, geopolitical factors and evolving threat environments should be taken into account. The nature of warfare and the adversaries faced by the United States are subject to change over time. New challenges, such as emerging technologies, advanced air defense systems, and unconventional threats, could impact the F-22's effectiveness. Regular assessments of the aircraft's capabilities and its ability to meet future operational requirements would be necessary to ensure its relevance and combat effectiveness. In conclusion, while the F-22 Raptor has proven itself as an exceptional fighter aircraft, determining its viability in serving USA branches until 2050 requires careful evaluation. Technological advancements, maintenance considerations, budgetary constraints, and evolving threat environments are all crucial factors that must be thoroughly analyzed. Only through comprehensive assessments and strategic planning can a decision be made regarding the F-22's extended service life.